Bhangad. Bhan name comes from Vrishabhanu. Yes. So Vrishabhanu were 5 brothers. Or 7 brothers, one of these, 5 or 7. So Vrishabhanu and Kirtida. So when Radharani was born, when she was around 2.5, then they shifted from Raval to here Bhangad. Yes. So this is the mahal where Vrishabhanu Maharaj stayed. This is the exact spot where Radharani played. She grew up. This is that place.
And she's born?
She is born in Raval. She is born in Raval.
Raval is not in Barsana.
No, Raval is ahead. Yes, different place. So then that is how this is Bhangad. Also, Krishna used to come at these foothills and play flute to entice Radharani to come. Yes. So if we see, Vrindavan is that side. Nandagaon is this side. So they would have their pastimes. You know, दो लड़का लड़की चोरी छुपे मिलते हैं ना, इसके घर मिलते हैं ना उसके घर मिलते हैं, अलग ही जगह मिलते हैं. Yeah, so similarly they would meet not at Nandagaon, they would meet not at Barsana, they would meet at Vrindavan. So Krishna travels to Vrindavan and there he plays flute. While traveling he comes here and at these foothills he plays flute. He attracts the heart of Radharani. And Radharani along with all the Sakhis makes plans of how to go, when to go. Yes. And all these pastimes are enacted very beautifully. Right from Radharani's childhood, once when Radharani was very small, at that time Durvasa Rishi came here. And Durvasa Rishi, we know, he is a very fiery tempered person. But Radharani served him so nicely. Durvasa was so happy. He said that whatever you make will taste better than nectar. And whatever you make, whoever eats it, he will never have any disease in his life. So when Yashoda Maiya came to know this, she one day very lovingly called Radharani and said, can you please make prasadam for my Kana always? And this is what Radharani always wanted. Said, yes, definitely I'll come. So she came many years here to Nandagaon to prepare prasadam for Kana. Once what happened is that किचन में काम करता है तो हल्दी वल्दी लगती ही है. सो तू किचन में जा तो तब तो तेरे को लगेगी. नहीं लगती बोलने में क्या है? किचन में गया कभी? गया है किचन में? हाँ, तो फिर कैसे हल्दी लगेगी? तो जा किचन में तो हल्दी लगेगी. हाँ, तो राधारानी भी तो मैया है. So where were we? Haldi, yes. In kitchen there is always haldi. So Yashoda Maiya had made a paste of haldi. And while doing something, it so happened that Radharani's came like this, hand came like this, and Yashoda Maiya touched her. And you know, in traditional terms, when a groom's mother accepts a girl as bride, then she puts haldi on the bride's hand. Yes. So when this happened, Yashoda Maiya also got shocked. Radharani also got shocked. कि क्या हो गया? But then Yashoda Maiya thinking, oh, what a good match. She immediately dipped her entire palm in that haldi paste, smeared it all over Radharani's palms. Now Radharani, she is not consulted anyone. Nobody knows what will happen. So Radharani is very, very shy. How will I go? Yes, how will I go? Whom will I show my hands to? Because it's something very different. So she climbed down from the slope and little ahead in the interior skirts, there is a place called Pili Pokhar. There is a pond there. She washed her hands in that pond. And because of that haldi, the entire water of that pond became yellow. So Pokhar means pond and Pili means yellow. So Radharani washed her hands and then she came back here. So that is just 3-4 kilometers. Nandagaon to Barsana is 7 kilometers. Nandagaon to Barsana is 7 kilometers. So 2 kilometers ahead is that Pili Pokhar. 3.5 kilometers ahead, just in between Nandagaon and Barsana, there is another place called Prem Sarovar. What happened was, once